Happy New Year, everyone. So this is me. I'm done cooking and I done my food. And then I have my chawamushi. This is a Japanese style. Look, it is yummy and delicious. This is a Japanese chawamushi. They call it chawamushi. And also I have here my adobo here. Charang. Yes, I have my adobo. And I have my salad. Kasi ang aking kasama now ay may sakit siya. Nagka-norovirus. My gosh. Kaya now, mag-isa. But anyway, still happy. Positive pa rin tayo because we're healthy. At yung mga loved ones natin sa Pilipinas ay healthy din po sila. So, let's enjoy the 2026 even if you're alone. You can be happy, just think and put your mindset good. Happy New Year! So let's cheers everyone for 2026. I have here with me wine. Even if I'm alone, mag-wine, mag-isa, mag-enjoy. Ne? Hindi naman lahat laging malungkot kahit mag-isa ka. Kaya mo rin sumaya, tawagan mo sila, i-try mo. Kung hindi ka nila naaalala, ikaw ang tumawag. Sabihin mo na nag-iisa ka, wala kang ka-cheers. Diba? Busy-busy sila doon sa mga bisita nila. Tayo naman dito, busy-busy sa kalungkutan sa ibang bansa. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Kaya, let's have a good positive lang tayo. Come on, let's cheer. Cheers tayo. Teka lang, buksan natin. Buksan natin, ha? Ayan, cheers! Oh, Happy New Year 2026.